My name is Leonie Sutter and I've been working at MAN Energy Solutions since 2014, currently as an engineer for optimization projects. I chose MAN because it was my dream job. I started as an intern in process engineering in Zurich, and after graduation I became a project quality manager, working on significant projects like Jansz Subsea and HPU Esbjerg. In October 2023, I returned to engineering and now work as an engineer for optimization projects, focusing on optimizing processes in which the welding department is involved. Currently, I'm working on the improvement of the welding department organization and compiling lessons learned to enhance the cooperation with our technical departments and suppliers. Outside of work, I live by the motto, a mechanical engineer by day and a mechanic by night. I love restoring my red Golf 1 Cabriolet with my dad, doing do-it-yourself projects, attending rock concerts and riding my motorcycle. What I love most about my job are the amazing people I get to work with and the opportunity to make positive changes. Knowing that my work can help reduce global CO2 emissions makes me proud and drives me to excel. Things like the Women Network and the innovative spirit create a workplace where I feel supported and inspired every day. My name is Leonie Sutter and I work for MAN Energy Solutions since 2014, currently as an engineer for optimization projects. We are moving big things to zero.